Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Once again, welcome to the delayed flight. These days, President Xi Jinping is in Europe and visited Serbia and France. And here he landed in Serbia. And the question is actually, what kind of plane did he use? From this clip here, we see something interesting. We see the logo of Star Alliance. So that means that definitely the plane with which he traveled to Europe, okay, it is clear. It is an Air China plane. And indeed, Air China is a member, is another proud member of Star Alliance. So far we know that the plane is an Air China plane, and Air China indeed is a member of Star Alliance. However, the question remains, which plane is this one? And here actually the picture may cause confusion because we see actually one engine from the left side, and yeah, the plane does not have two turbines. The plane has 4 turbines. So this is all we know so far. Exactly here we see that the plane has 4 turbines, and this is quite important. Here we see clearly the logo of Star Alliance. So we asked ChatGPT, and actually we didn't get any answer. However, I will not read all this here. I hope it is legible. Government aircraft that President Xi Jinping uses can be a Boeing 747 or a Boeing 767 or an Airbus A330. However, since we fly with the 767, either the 300 or the 400, the 767 has 2 engines. It is a wide-body twin-jet aircraft and has 2 turbofan engines. So it doesn't seem to be a 767-300 or a 767-400, and actually doesn't look a lot like an Airbus 330, isn't it? And here, a few days later, we see the same plane landing in France. Definitely it is the same plane. It is an Air China plane. Here things are quite visible. I mean, it is can I pause? Yeah, okay, I paused on time. Okay, it is an Air China plane, definitely. We saw the logo of Star Alliance. It has 4 engines. I mean, we see the 2 engines from the left side, and from the other side we see 1, but it has 2 engines, isn't it? And according to the faucet, it doesn't look like an Airbus A330, and also actually it doesn't look like a 767, either 300 or a 767-400. So it seems that this plane is a Boeing 747, isn't it? Wikipedia, unfortunately, was not very helpful, because if we type Chinese presidential plane, we go to this page here, and it shows an Air Force 3701, which is this one here, and definitely this doesn't look like the plane that we saw earlier. This plane has 2 engines, so this is not our plane, which means that our plane was not 737-800, by no means. Our plane seems to be a 747, a Boeing 747. So, ladies and gentlemen, after my research, I came to the conclusion that this plane is a Boeing 747-400. This is a quite spectacular earlier clip from 2017, I think. And here we see that President of China comes on board with Air China, Boeing 747-400 at Zurich Airport. This is very precise, it is good. The touchdown, I mean. And I think there are a few other versions of this clip. Maybe we can have a look. Yeah, government of China, President Xi Jinping landing. Here is another landing. This is a landing in Hamburg Airport. It is a Boeing 747-400 of Air China. Let us have a look also at this landing, and I think this will be all for now. Yes, another butter landing, very well done. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will not insist any further. Here we see a landing of the Air China A330 in Geneva. Of course, we can distinguish that this plane has only 2 turbines. But just to let you know how it looks like, I mean, this is the A330, one of the versions of A330, actually the A330-200. I think that we answered the question. Just in case, if I'm wrong, please let me know. Finally, I think that the plane that we saw landing in Europe was the Air China Boeing 747. So thank you for watching this clip and hope to see you soon till the next one. All the clips we saw were posted for educational reasons. This is a disclaimer. You take care and bye for now.